Good evening, folks. I'm just going to tie a wee buzzer. I was just asked to tie a buzzer, and people want to know how I get my buzzers so slim. So I'm just going to show you. What I'm using is Semperfli's wax thread 12. I know. Put a bit of thread down first. Snip it off. Putting on a bit of GloBrite for breeders. Don't need a whole pile, just stick it on like that. Pinch and loop. Bring it down. Cut it off. Having a wedge. So, where am I up next first? I use red wire. I'm going to use Semperfli's 0.1 millimeter. This, where you just finish your thorax, just tie it in. Pull your wire out and let it just slide down to the previous turn. Come back up. Right, I'm going to put on a bit of Mirage. 10 Mirage, where is it? This looks like it. Good. Touch and turns on the way down. Bring it back up again, touch and turns. If you want, you can put a kind of a step on the way up. Just bring it back down, touch and turns on the way down. You want to get a nice tapered body. So, wrap up, tight turns at first, and then open your turns up as you come up the hook. That's my start my thorax, so that's tied in there. Bring my red rib up behind it. Again, just follow the path of the Mirage. So. Then helicopter effect. And you just put bed right behind the breeders and back. That's up where this last turn of red is. It's like so. Yeah, it's coming up in a little bit nice there. Right, what am I using? I'm going to use orange Inferno Goose Biots from Semperfli. Just them here now. you'll see a lot of posts at the minute, the way people are tying the Goose bites, they're tying them from underneath. You can also tie them at the side, you still catch fish, but start doing it at the side first, and when you get managing them you can start bringing them underneath. You can use anything, you can use tencel as well. You can also use tencel as a thorax cover. So just change it around, have your flies a wee bit different, something for the trout to look at. With the 12-0, it's a little bit of a smaller thread, it does take a little bit more time to build up your thorax. What you can do, you can also put a 8-0 on, it'll take less time. I'm using the Norvise retractable bobbin, so it makes it easier. I don't actually have to move my hand away, just my hand here, my finger here, if I bring it up like that, it's actually holding the bobbin, so all I have to do is just let go of it and then put my hand back onto it again, and that just keeps it tight. Right. So bring your bites over, one loose turn first, tighten in, again, and again. Keep it, build up a, tighten them all in. Let's see what I got right. What you can do, when you have enough of tight wraps, they just pull off. Simplifies wax thread. It's just very, very strong. It really does the job for you. Like that. So just build up your head. So but finish with either the tool or your fingers. I prefer this. Just slide it through the thread. There you have it. Just use your fingers then to do this. This is very, very, very quickly doing this. Right, I use solderants. You can see it there, the bone dry one. Take your time doing this. Don't have too much resin on your brush or it just gets all lumpy. There's not many time now I'd be rushing to trying to get flies done. You'll often, when it dries then, you'll often see a wee little bump around the place. Right. UV resin light from Semperfli. See it there. Just give it a blast of the torch. Doesn't take much time now to cure it. And then just finish it off with a coat of resin. Leave this to dry for 24 hours. Come back to it in the morning and put another coat or two on. see how good this is. There you go. Just have enough of time there, and to see my camera is a memory card getting full. See the tapered body there. Okay, thanks for watching. Good night.